Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I'm going to show you some parts I picked up for a customer's vehicle. Customer did give me permission to film on his vehicle, so we're going to show you the parts and then we're going to start recording videos on what we're fixing. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going, and welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so got a vehicle that we're going to be working on. It's going to be more than likely an ongoing progress on this vehicle. So picked up or project, I should say. So, picked up some items for the customer. The customer did say that I can record and do videos on his vehicle. So we got 3 of these. These are Bosch premium oxygen sensors, or O2 sensors. 15510. There is 15510. And 15510 is this one. So we got 3 of them. This will be Bank 1 Sensor 1, Bank 1 Sensor 2, and Bank 2 Sensor 1 are these part numbers. And then this guy right here is Bank 2 Sensor 2. It's 18126. They're all Bosch. So this is for a 2005 Chrysler 300C with the big boy engine, 5.7 liter Hemi V8. This car's got quite a bit of upgrades to it. Dual straight pipe exhaust. So we have the driver's side door lock actuator assembly, brand new clips for everything, which this one is part number DLA 1393. And then we have complete fuel pump and sending unit assembly, which is C-0485-M. This is for the 19-gallon tank system. I'm not going to take this one out of the box. You guys will see it out of the box when I do the fuel pump video. It's a complete unit. So these are the items that we picked up that the customer said that we could work on. Customer also explained to me that there was a lot of things that he wants to do to this vehicle, upgrades, and a bunch of other stuff. So we'll definitely have more videos coming up. Just wanted to do a video, let you guys know what the parts are. Again, it is a 2005 Chrysler 300C with the 5.7 liter Hemi V8. We're looking at probably doing repairs. He's got a significant oil leak. Other than that, everything else looks good, but it needs some body work. That vehicle didn't have a front end on it. It was completely built from the ground up from what the gentleman had, and the gentleman actually had to custom make fenders for it. So they don't line up great on the passenger side, but it's not too bad. It's, you know, only about a half an inch or so off, just underneath the headlights. He does want to get rid of the headlights that it has and get better headlights installed on it. So we may be doing a video where I buff out the older headlights. If he wants to keep them, I'll buff them out for him, and then show you guys how to buff out plastic headlights. Maybe show you guys how to install headlights on this vehicle as well. There's probably a lot of stuff that we could possibly do on this vehicle. He's got lots and lots of plans. I don't know all the plans yet, but he's been talking back and forth with me about things that he does want to do. Might be some painting as well. He does want to do some pinstripe painting on a set of rims that he has. I think they're Vanelli rims, if I remember correctly. It does have a couple issues with the tune. Might be checking to see what issues it has with the tune it has. It does have a custom tune. As well as there's more than likely going to be suspension work that might get done as well. Just giving you guys a breakdown of some updates and things that you know, we're going to be bringing to the channel. So I got to do the fuel pump. Oops, I'm knocking the lights and stuff over. I got all the O2 sensors he needed. It's his computer system stated that there is 3 bad O2 sensors out of the 4. Now it does have a custom exhaust, so I did bring it to his attention that the exhaust is completely custom. They might not have put the bungs in for the O2 sensors, and that could be why 3 of them are not reading. But I did get him all of them. If we have to install the bungs onto his exhaust, it's not a big deal. I don't even think it has cats, to be honest. I couldn't, while I can only scooch, you know, a couple inches under it. I couldn't see any cats. The cats are pretty noticeable on these vehicles. So it might not have cats, and they just might have forgot to put the O2 sensors in. But I'm going to leave that up to him. If it does have all the O2 sensors, we're going to change them out, because I did test on the PIDs and everything on my scanner, and they were not reading at all. They were just flat line, whether it was idling or it was moving, somewhere in the range of 35-40 miles an hour. Nothing was reading but the 4th one, which was the 18126, which the only one that was reading was bank 2 sensor 2, which was after cat passenger side. So bank 1 sensor 1 is on driver side up by the manifold. Bank 1 sensor 2 is after the cat on the exhaust pipe, further down, closer to the driver's seat under the vehicle. Bank 2 sensor 1 should be by the manifold, right above the cat. And then 18126, excuse me, bank 2 sensor 2, that would be passenger side rear after cat. But this is just a couple parts. We'll be doing a fuel pump video. Try to get the actuator video. I haven't seen any videos on YouTube for a driver side door lock actuator on the 300C Chryslers. So hopefully we can get that video done, and I'll try to get a video of the O2 sensors, show where they're at. But it is a pretty low car, so you know, that is what it is. But I do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video real quick, give you guys some updates. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. I know a lot of people ask, you know, why don't you do vehicles on cars? It's because I have to get permission from customers, and most customers do not want their vehicles filmed. This one just happened to, the gentleman does not have an issue with it. So I do appreciate you guys stopping by as always. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace!